How to see someone's old stories on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will see if it's possible to see someone's old Instagram stories. Please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if this tutorial helps you out, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified whenever we post new videos. So without further ado, let's get started. There are many apps and websites that will show you fake methods that don't even work. But there are some ways that might help you to see someone's old stories indirectly. One way is that you can save all their stories to see later by screen recording or screenshotting them. Another way is that you can use a third-party tool like AI Schedule, and one of its tracking tools can save stories for you to watch later. However, you must get permission to record someone's Instagram stories. You should also be aware that you are most likely breaking Instagram's terms of service. You can also look for old stories in their highlights or on other platforms where they may have uploaded them. So these were some ways that might help you to see someone's old Instagram stories. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks.